cloth mask, surgical mask, N95 mask, surgical and isolation gowns. So many PPEs, so many different levels of protection. Do you really know the PPEs you're wearing are actually protecting you from COVID-19 1 year into the pandemic, but we still have not established the standards and performance matrix of PPEs for consumers, paramedics, and frontliners. Coronavirus can be as small as 100 nanometers, about 1/1000, the width of the human hair. Knowing the quality and level of PPEs you're wearing can save your life and the life of others around you. Is your mask and gown is breathable? Can your mask resist splashes? Or have high bacterial and particle filtration efficiency? Can your gown give excellent liquid barrier performance and have good tear and tensile properties? TTI Testing Laboratories has established a state-of-the-art microbiology laboratory that has a clean room which complies with WHO Grade A and C, ISO Class 5 and 7, and a whole separate lab having sections of media preparation and incubation room. The sterile environment of the clean room is achieved by HEPA filters installed in every section and an HVAC having pre- and back filters to provide clean air to meet the standards of WHO and ISO. Our state-of-the-art, internationally accredited PPE testing laboratory can help you monitor and test your PPE supply chain quality to the next level. Get your PPEs tested from one of the most reliable and state-of-the-art laboratories in the world known as TTI Testing Laboratories. Our mission: stay safe, produce safe.